Hello children, what's up? It's me, Untitled, present before you in order to have an explanation of the chapter that is matter in our surrounding. So this is your chapter number 1, right? So if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do it quickly because with such video tutorials I'm coming to you only, right? So I hope that I'm clearly audible and visible to you. So today we're gonna discuss about our chapter that is matter and our surrounding. A very interesting chapter, you will like it. This is for class 9. This is your first chapter, right? So as the chapter name is matter in our surrounding, so you must be thinking what is this matter is? What is this matter is? Of course, in our surrounding we can understand it quickly, but first of all we need to understand that what is a matter. So it is what the world made up of. And you see this world, each thing in this world is made up of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up a certain amount of this space. For example, this is a mouse, this is a box. This all things are made up of one or another material. Like this mouse is of plastic and certain metals like iron, copper, and other things. And this matter, matters could be anything, any product, your chair, your table, your laptop, your computer in which you're seeing a video, that device, everything is a matter. Matter is something that has mass and occupies certain space. So this is one example is given that called solid ice. When we give it energy, it will convert into a warm liquid, right? So then if we give it a more energy to the liquid, it will change into a hot gas or vapor, and after that it forms a plasma. So how many states of a matter we can say? Four. There is basically five, but you need to study only three in your class 9. Right? That is solid, liquid,
Resistance
gas,
is futile.
cells, as well as the plasma. You need not to study about plasma. It's not the topic in your class 9. You will learn about this thing in your higher classes. But in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you about these three states of the matter. Right? That is solid, liquid, and gas. So if we talk about a solid, then solid have a definite shape and definite volume. Solid have a mass. Solid takes a space. So can you see this matter? These matters, can you see there are very small intermolecular space between each of these atoms. So this is a solid. Can you see very less spaces are there? They all are combined too properly that it is very difficult to detach them. So these are packed very tightly together and have very little energy and vibrate in place. Means can you see they are vibrating very less because they are having very little energy. So this is about our solids. Now next thing is about our liquids. So if we talk about liquids, then liquids take the shape of the container have means it does not have any type of the definite shape. If you pour a glass of milk into a bucket, that will be the milk will take the shape of a bucket. If you pour that milk on another utensil, that will take the shape of it. So it does not have any fixed shape, but it has definite volume. The milk you have poured, that will be same as it was previous in one container. Now liquid has mass. Now liquid takes some space. So these are the properties of what? Of a matter. Hence we say either it is solid or it is liquid. These all are matters. So can you see this? These are a little more reactive as compared to solids. There are little more spaces between its molecules, right? Can you see? And their vibrating phase is even more better or greater as compared to the solids. So the first thing is that they are very loosely packed, have medium energy levels. Medium means you can take it as intermediate, not higher, not lower as compared as solids. So particles flow around each other. Now this is the case of gas. So what is actually a gas is gas spread out to fill the entire surface given and do not have definite volume. Have you ever seen that gas can be have a fixed volume or fixed shape? No, it doesn't have any fixed volume, not a definite volume, not a definite shape. It could be take any shape, any size. It could be means in more and more you will put the gas. For example, let there be a container, this be a container. So in this container there is certain gas. Now these molecules will, cover whole this paper. So do you think it having fixed volume? No, it doesn't have any fixed volume, but it has mass. It takes some, or it occupies certain space. Hence, if we taking the example of solids, liquids, or gas, all these things are matter. So we say, so what we say? We say that either it is solid, liquid, or gas. These are the different states of matter. So the most common examples we took is of our and gases of our water, that is H2O, right? That we will cover further. But if we talk about a gas particles in gases, so see, they are coming where means the space, the intermolecular spaces between these particles is very less, right? Now they move freely, they lots of energy, because due to this lots of energy they move so widely and they are vibrating too much even. Now the last case is a lightning is a plasma. Have you ever seen used in a fluorescent light bulbs or neon lights? Plasma is not like a gas, but the particles are electrically charged. Have you ever seen the lightning which happened during a rain time or during a monsoon time? So that thing we say that this is a form of plasma. Children, this is not in syllabus, but I have mentioned it because I want you to just understand it. So see children, these are the states of a matter. These are liquid, gases, solids, mixtures that I will teach you later. Plasma is not in your syllabus. So what would it take for matter to move state to another? From what? Yes, that is energy. Energy determines the state. That if you give energy to solids, then it will convert it into liquids. If you give energy to the liquids, then it will turn out to be gases, and gases will turn out to be plasma, right? So add or subtract energy. When energy is added, particles move faster. So when energy is taken away, particles move slower. So that's why the most speed is with gases. Why? Because they're having most of the energy occupied. If we will take away the energy from the gases and give it to somewhere else, then what will happen? That thing will become liquid. And if we will take more energy from that liquid, then that will be changed into solid. I hope you have understood. So this is the thing. So solid plus energy, but it will be gases. It will give us liquid. Of course, very good. If you are guessing right, you are very good children. When energy is added to solids, they become liquid. Examples. You must be thinking examples. So examples is quite simple that if you melt a cube, means you are providing energy by heating the cube. So it will slowly gain its energy, and after gaining the molecules started vibrating more, right? Due to which it will convert into a solid. So what if you will give energy to a liquid? Yes, your guess is right. That will be converted into a gas. Perfect. So when energy is added to liquids, they become gases. What examples can you think of? Example is quite simple. If we again take our water, that is H2O, in the liquid state and we are providing it a energy, it will changes into a gas, right? Is it clear? That is very easy topic. So changing these states. This is our last topic, children, right? So see, there are several names of the matter changes. That is state change, phase change, physical change. So did we get something new? Ice cream and melted ice cream. Do you think you are getting something new? No. How it come? Chocolate, melted chocolate, ice, water and water vapors now, steel and molten steel. So you will observe that each thing is quite same. The first one and second one is same, right? Either it was simple ice cream or it was melted ice cream. They both were same and they will show the same chemical properties. Just their physical nature get divided. So that's all for today, children. These are certain questions I want you to solve it. Meet you in the next video tutorial where we're gonna discuss a lot more about matter and chemistry. Till that, stay tuned and don't forget to solve this question. These are your homework. I will discuss these questions in the upcoming video. Right? So thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Right? And share this video with your friends. Thank you.